Hello students, this is week number 6, lecture number 2, and in this lecture we are going to study linear simultaneous equations. If you remember, in the previous lecture we studied linear equations. Linear equations means what type? Ax plus b is equal to 0. So why we called linear equations? Because we have only x here, one variable. But if we have two variables, two unknowns, for example, it is 2x plus 3y equals to 1. How many variables? Because here we have one variable, so we need one equation only. But here we have two variables, x and y. So we need two equations. Okay, like this one. So this is named as y linear because the degree of x and y are 1. And simultaneous means if we have two unknowns, three unknowns, four unknowns. Unknown means variable for which we are evaluating. We need to find the value of x and y. Clear? So this is called linear simultaneous equation. Linear simultaneous equations. Linear simultaneous equations. Why? Because we have x and y in linear form. Clear? Number one. Number two, we have two equations and two variable x and y. Clear? What is the definition? A set of linear equations with two or more. Listen here. Two or more unknown. Unknown means variable x and y are called linear simultaneous equations. This is example number one. Another example we can take it. Look, minus x plus 3y is equal to 7 and 4x plus 2y is equal to 8. Like this one. These are the examples of linear simultaneous equations. Clear? This is another example we can take is 4x minus y is equal to 10 and 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 7. So these are simple examples of linear simultaneous equations because we have two equations, number one, and two unknowns. So that's why these are simultaneous equations. Clear? In a linear equation, we need to find the value of x only. But here we have two, x and y. So we need to find the values of x and y both. Clear? So we need to find two values here. So for this, there are three methods. There are three methods to solve these equations. What are the three methods? Method number one is solution by graph. Solution by graph. So we will learn how to draw the graph of these linear equations and then find out the value of x and y. Solution means the value of y. Okay, I may write here. Solution means to find the value of x and y. Clear? Solution means you need to find the value of x and y. So the first method is solution by graph. Another method is solution by substitution. Substitution means replacing. Clear? We will, when I will teach you, then I will explain you in more better way. And solution by elimination. Elimination means remove. Solution by elimination. So there are three methods. Method number one is graph. Method number two is substitution. Method number three is elimination. Clear? Whenever we ask question, look how we ask question in exam. Solve the following for x and y. Means you need to find the value of x and y. Like I gave the equation 2x minus 5y is equal to say -2, and 3x plus 4y is equal to 6. So there is nothing mentioned about the method. You can use graph method, you can use substitution method, you can use elimination method. Clear? It is very rare when we ask solve the following by substitution method or by graph method or by elimination method. But generally we do not give name of the method. We simply give solve the following for x and y. Means you need to find the value of x and y. Okay, so first we will study the method of means solution by the graph. But before we study method, this methodology, we need to understand how to draw equation like 4x plus 3y equals to 12 on xy plane. This is the foremost, means the most important thing that you need to learn. First of all, I will tell you what do you mean by xy plane. Xy plane is simply this and this. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is the center, 0. Clear? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the positive direction of x-axis and y-axis. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. And similarly, this is -1, -2, -3, -4. So this is xy plane. Clear? Here, look, here if we want to draw any point, so it is denoted by x comma y. X comma y means the distance of this point from x-axis, this distance. Clear? And then distance of this point over y-axis, vertical distance. This is the point xy. Say if I want to draw, let us draw, there is a point, draw 3 minus 2. Clear? So what is the value of x? The value of x is 3. 1, 2, 3. This distance is on x-axis. Clear? This is 3. Clear? And what is the distance of y? -2. -2 means down. Now you need to move down. So this point is 3 minus 2. Why? Because the distance from center on x-axis is 3 unit, and then the distance parallel to y-axis is -2 units. So this point is 3 minus 2. This is how to draw a point on xy plane. Clear? Now another thing is how to find the points. This is the graph of a linear equation. The graph of a linear equation is always a straight line. The graph of a linear equation is always a straight line. You need to remember, straight line means like this one, like this one, like this one. These are straight line. It is not a straight line. These are the straight line. This is straight, this is straight, this is straight, but this is not a straight line. Clear? So how we are going to draw the line onto xy plane? So it is, equation is 4x plus 3y equals to 12. Please try to understand it. So what is the first point? First point is find the x intercept. X intercept means the point where the line is going through x-axis. Find the x intercept by putting y equals to 0. So you need to put y is equal to 0 to find the x intercept. What is the x intercept? X intercept, it is a point through which the line passing and passing on x-axis. Clear? So put y is equal to 0, and if we put y is equal to 0, so what we'll get? We will get 4x plus 0 equals to 12. So divide by 4, 4x upon 4 is 12 upon 4. And how much it is? 4 cancelled, x is equal to 12 divided by 4 is 3. So what is the coordinate? The value of x, 3. What is the value of y? 0. Because we put y is equal to 0. And coordinate is always x comma y. So what is the coordinate? It is 3 comma 0. So the x intercept is 3 comma 0. Clear? Now we will find y intercept. So find y intercept. Find y intercept by putting x is equal to 0. What we get? We get, look, 0 plus 3y equals to 12. So divide by 3, 3y upon 3 is 12 upon 3, and this cancelled. So y equals to 12 by 3 is 4. So what is the value of xy? It is x is 0 because we have put x is equal to 0. And what is the value of y? It is 4. So 0 comma 4. So this is the coordinate on y-axis. Y-intercept means the point through which the line passing on y-axis. This is y-intercept. Clear? Now we will try to draw it here. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. So this point is 0, 0. This point is 1, comma 0. Because on x-axis y is 0. This is 3, comma 0, like this one. Clear? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means this is 0, comma 4. Because on y-axis x is always 0. Clear? Now 3, comma 0 is this point and 0, comma 4 is this point. Now join these 2 points. So this line, this is the line. What? 4x plus 3y equals to 12. So how we are drawing the line on xy plane? First put y is equal to 0, get the value of x. Then put x is equal to 0 and get the value of y. Draw these points on xy plane through a scale. Join these 2 points, you will get a straight line. Clear? Now we will solve one question so that you can understand it more clearly. Okay, so we will take example, solve by graphical method. Solve by graphical method. So what is the question? Question is 2x plus y equals to 6 and x plus 2y equals to 6. This is the question. 2x plus y is equal to 6 and x plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay. So let us say this is equation number 1 and let us say this is equation number 2. These are the 2 equations. Clear? So how we find the solution by graphical method? Clear? We draw, listen carefully, we draw both the lines on xy plane. We draw both the lines on xy plane and find the point. Find the point where both are crossing, or you can say intersecting. Whatever English word you are familiar, you can use. Both are crossing is the solution. Clear? Is the solution. Find the point, not which, it is find the point where both are crossing or intersecting is the solution. Clear? So first we will take equation number 1. What is the equation number 1? 2x plus y equals to 6. So we will find first x intercept. So for x intercept, what we are going to put? We are going to put y is equal to 0. So 2x plus 0 equals to 6. Divide by 2. 2x by 2 is 6 by 2. It is x equals to 6 by 2 is 3. And how we find y intercept? We put x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means 0 plus y equals to 6. So it is y equals to 6. So here what is the x intercept? It is 3, 0. And what is the y intercept here? 0, 6. Clear? So these are the points for 2x plus y. Now we will find x plus 2y. Equation number 2. X plus 2y equals to 6. So what is the first point? We are finding the x intercept. And how to find x intercept? Put y is equal to 0. So x plus 0 equals to 6. So x is equal to 6, and this implies 6, 0 is the x intercept. Clear? This is 6, 0. And how to find the y intercept? Y intercept, we will find it out by putting x is equal to 0. Clear? So it is 0 plus 2y equals to 6. Divide by 2y, 2, 6 by 2. So how much it is? Y is equal to 3. So what is the intersection point? 0, 3. So this is how we find it out. The x intercept. X intercept means the point through which the curve straight line is passing on x-axis, and y-intercept means it is the point where it is crossing the y-intercept means where it is crossing the y-axis. Clear? Okay. So how we are going to do? We will draw the line. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and look here, this is 0, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear? If we draw it on graph paper, we will get the exact answer. But here, no problem, we will try to find it out. It is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Oh, there is no value negative. So we no need to mark the negative side. Okay, let us find out. It is first equation 3, 0, 0, 6. 3, 0. 3, 0 means here. Okay, let us choose the red color so that you can easily understand. 3, 0 means here. And 0, 6, 2 to 4 to 6, 0, 6 is this one. Clear? Now join the line. This line is what? It is middle is not correct. So we will draw like this. Oh. Yes. This is 2x plus y equals to 6. This is first line. Now we will draw the second line. Second line is how much? 6, 0. 4, 5, 6. This is 6 and 0, 3. This is this. Now join these two lines. Oh, this is not going to correct. Oh, on this I am unable to draw the line perfectly, but no problem. This is the line. This is the line. Clear? And my dear friends, this is, if you see, this is how much? 3, 0. This is how much? 6, 0. This is 0, 6, and this is 0, 3. These are the intersection point. If you will draw these lines through a scale, you will get the absolutely correct solution. Clear? There is no doubt about it. Now this is the intersection point, and you need to draw it here and you need to draw it here. If you will find what is the distance over x-axis, it is 2. What the distance over y-axis, it is 2. So 2, 2 is the what we can write. So the solution means 2, 2 is the intersection point. Intersection point. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 is the solution. Clear? So we need to find the point where x and y axis intersecting. So that is the solution. Now, because this is very long process, how to find the x intercept, how to find the y intercept, there is another way we can find it out, and it is how we can find directly. I will tell you. Same example we are going to take. It is 2x plus y. 2x plus y equals to 6. This we will solve here, and it is x plus 2y equals to 6. That we will solve here. Here is what is written 6. So you need to divide by 6. 2x upon 6 plus y upon 6 is equal to 1. Here divide by this number, x by 6 plus 2y upon 6 is equal to 1. Clear? Now divide. 6 you need to divide, cancel 2. So it is x by 3 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. And here how much? X by 6 plus y upon 2, 6 you can cancel by 2, 3. So it is 1. So if you see, this will give you 3, 0. Because here it is y, so it will give you 0, 6. Here it is x, 6, 0. And here it is y, 0, 3. So whatever you are evaluating the intersection point, means this x intercept and y intercept, it is a very long process. Clear? But you can find by dividing the right hand side the x intercept, y intercept, x intercept, y intercept very easily, and then you can it is like the previous one, no need to draw it again. So you can find the solution in this way also. This is also a technique. Clear? Because the standard form, I will tell you the standard form of a linear equation is x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1, where curve straight line is crossing through a, 0, and here straight line is crossing through 0, b. So this is very important. You need to change the equation into this format. And how we are changing? Whatever is written here, you need to divide by that number. Then you will be able to find the x intercept and y intercept. Okay. So this is method number 1, in which we draw two lines, and after drawing two lines, we need to find the intersection point. Intersection point means the point where both the lines are going over each other. Okay. Now method number 2 is solution by substitution. What we do in this, in this method, we find the value of x or y, whatever easy, x or y, from one equation, and put means substitute, putting this value in another equation, By this we find x and y. Clear? So the method is very simple. It is not a very difficult approach, but you need to search the number where we can directly find the x or y. Clear? So we will solve question number 1. Example number 1. It is x plus y equals to 9 and 2x plus 3y equals to 21. Clear? So how we are going to do? Look here. In equation, first we will focus on equation 2. Here coefficient 2 is written, coefficient 3 is written. So this calculation may be difficult, but here only x. If only x is written, only y is written, then we will find the value of x or y from this equation. Okay, so we will take equation 1, and what is that equation 1? X plus y equals to 9. Now, because both are independent of coefficient, only x and y is written. So you can find the value of x, you can find the value of y. Okay, let us find the value of x. How? Shift this y here. It is 9 minus y. So what is the value of x? 9 minus y. Now put this value of x in other equation. You use first equation, this equation, and find the value of x. Now put this value in equation number 2. How it is? 2. Value of x, 9 minus y plus 3y is equal to 21. Now this is simple linear equation in y. We solved so many in the previous lecture. 2 into 9, 18 minus 2 into y, 2y plus 3y equals to 21. Club the terms of y one side, constant other side. So it is minus 2y plus 3y equals to 21 minus 18. 21 remains 21. This plus 18 change minus 18. 3y minus 2y, it is y. 21 minus 18 is 3. So what is the value of y? The value of y is 3. Now you put value of y here in this equation. So x is equal to 9 minus y and equals to 9 minus 3. And 9 minus 3 is 6. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 6. Class. So this type of questions are this method is very easy. Clear? But the thing is you need to search x is written in first equation or y is written in first equation. Wherever x and y are written, you need to find the value accordingly. Okay, let us solve one more question. Example number 2. In this case is it is minus x plus 2y equals to 2. This is equation number 1. And another equation is x minus 8y equals to 1. This is. So in both the equations you will see here minus x is written, here x is written. So we will choose this equation and we will try to find the value of x. Clear? Because we need x or y. If here something is given, then we can find the value of x from here. Okay, so x is equal to 1 and minus 8y will change into plus 8y. This is very simple. You need to find the value of x or y, anyone. So we find x, 1 plus 8y. Now put value here, minus the value of x, 1 plus 8y plus 2y equals to 2. Now multiply negative inside, minus 1 minus 8y plus 2y equals to 2. Now club together, minus 8y plus 2y equals to 2, and this minus change into plus 1. Clear? Now what is the value? Value is minus 8y plus 2y. It is minus 6y. And 2 plus 1 is 3. Divide by 6. Minus 6. Minus 6y upon minus 6. It is 3 upon minus 6. This cancel. So what we are getting? We are getting y equals to minus 3 upon 6. But if you will divide it by 3, how much will get? Minus 3 divides 3, 1. 6 divides 3 is 2. So the value of y is minus 1 upon 2. This is the first solution, the value of y. Clear? Now put this value here in this equation. So we will get x 1 plus 8, and the value of y is minus 1 upon 2. So it is 1 plus minus minus 8 divides 2. Clear? 1 minus 8 divides 2 is 4. So what it is? Minus 3. So the value of x is minus 3. This is how we are finding the solutions. So this method is very easy as compared to graphical method. But my dear friends, graphical method is also very important, because in the 8th week we will learn so many graphical questions on the basis of inequalities. So you need to practice the method number 1 also. Okay, now we'll move to method number 3. What is method 3? Solution by elimination. By elimination. Clear? Solution by elimination. What we are going to do in this method? In this method, elimination means remove. Remove means delete. So you need to delete one variable. How we can delete it? The process is very simple. We will learn it through the example. Please, example. And it is 4x plus 3y equals to 2. And x minus 3y equals to 8. This is a very easy example. Why? In this question, what we are going to do, we will make either the x same. No, this is not same. Here it is 4, here it is no 4. So these are not same. Now we will check 3y, 3y. Wow, mashallah. Same. 3y, 3y. Same. Clear? If they are plus and minus, one is positive, one is negative, we will make plus. Means we will add. And if both are plus or minus, then we will make minus, means subtract. Clear? Very simple thing. If the whatever variable we are going to eliminate, we are going to eliminate x, and if the value of x is plus and minus, very good, simply add. But if the variable having plus, either plus or minus, then it is a subtract. Here plus minus, so we will make them plus. Here it will be plus. Plus means plus 3y minus 3y cancel. This is because if you will add plus 3 and minus 3, it will be 0. So this is finished. So what is the plus? 4x plus x equals 2 plus 8. Okay, so what is 4x plus x? It is 5x, and 2 plus 8 is 10. Divide by 5. So 10 upon 5 is 2. This is the value of x. Now simply put the value of x in any equation. Look, it is 4x plus 3y equals to 2. Put the value of x here. It is 4 into 2 plus 3y equals to 2. 4 into 2 is 8 plus 3y equals to 2. Now separate the variable and constant. 3y is equal to, shift this here, 2 minus 8. So 3y equals to 2 minus 8 is minus 6. Divide by 3. 3y upon 3 is equal to minus 6 upon 3. This 3 class, y equal to minus 6 upon 3 is minus 2. This is. So the value of x is 2, y is minus 2. Okay. So let us, if you will tell me, I can solve some question from exercise also using elimination method. Okay. Let us solve a little different type of problem. Okay. And the problem is here. Look, example. It is 2x minus y equals to 3 and 3x plus 2y equals to 8. So if you see, first we take where plus minus. Yes, here is plus minus. But look here. Here it is 2y. Here it is y. So what we are going to do? Because here is 2. So we will multiply this equation by 2. So if you will multiply this equation by 2, you need to multiply 2 everywhere. 2 into 2, 4x. This 2 into 2, 4x minus 2 into 1, 2. And 2 into 3, 6. This is equation 1. So you multiply the equation by 2 just to make y coefficient same. Already I have explained you, this is coefficient 4, coefficient minus 2, coefficient 3, coefficient of y 2. So now look here, it is same to same, minus 2y plus 2y. But how you make it? By multiplying in this equation by 2. So now plus this finished and 4x plus 3x is equal to 6 plus 8. 4x plus 3x is 7x is equal to 6 plus 8 is 14 and divide by 7. It is 14 by 7. This finished. So how much we are getting? X is equal to 14 divided 7 is 2. So the answer of x is 2. Now choose any equation. It is up to you. You choose here, 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 anything. So we opt 2x minus y equals to 3. Put the value of x. 2 times 2 minus y equals to 3. So minus y equals to 3 and 2 times 2 is negative 4 because we are shifting towards right side. So minus y equals to 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Now divide by negative minus 1 upon minus 1. This finished. So y is equal to minus 1 divided by minus 1. It is 1. Or you can cancel negative. So you will get 1. So in this question we make the coefficient of y same. Okay. One more question I will solve where we need to subtract. Okay. So we will take a little difficult question. This is question number 4 part D over page 64 in exercise page 64. So what it is? It is 7x plus 4y equals to 10 and this is 5x plus 3y equals to 7. This is clear. Now look here. There is no positive negative. Everything is positive and also no same. Clear. So if they are different, what you can do? Now you need to decide. You want to eliminate x or you want to eliminate y. Because in last two questions we eliminate y. So let us try to eliminate x here. So how to eliminate x? Here it is written 5. So multiply 5 in equation 1. Here it is 7. So multiply by 7. Sorry. So 5 means everywhere. 5 times 7 is how much? 35x plus 5 times 4. It is 20y is equal to 5 times 10. It is 50. Now multiply by 7 here to here. 7 times 5 is 35 plus 7 times 3 is 21 equals to 7 times 7 is 49. Now you need to draw the line. Look, how you can remove this? I told you what? If they are plus plus or minus minus, then subtract. Clear? So if you see here are plus plus, so you will subtract. And subtract means here is positive, so minus. Here is positive, so minus. Here is positive, so minus. If any negative, it will into plus. Now 35x minus 35x is 0. Clear? Now 20y, this is minus 21y. Now sign is not plus, sign is minus. Now 50, now minus 49. So 20 minus 21, it is minus y. 50 minus 49, it is 1. So divide by minus, it is 1 upon minus 1. So this finished, y equals to minus 1 is the answer. This is. Now put the value of y in any equation. 7x plus 4y equals to 10. So 7x, you can put here also, no problem. It is up to you. 7x plus 4 into minus 1 is equal to 10. So 7x minus 4. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. This is, and 7x is equal to 10. Minus 4 will change into plus 4. So 7x is equal to 10 plus 4 is 14. So divide by 7. It is 14 upon 7. Answer is 2. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 2. So I tried to solve all the three type of questions possible in elimination method. Clear? So please practice more questions from the exercise, and if you have any problem, please write to me in chat box. Thank you very much. Take care.